If you want AnyDesk to stay available all the time, even when you are not sitting in front of your computer, this guide is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to keep AnyDesk running all the time by setting up unattended access, giving it full permissions, and making sure your computer does not go to sleep or disconnect. This is perfect if you want to remote into your PC for work, support, file access, or just peace of mind. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to enable unattended access inside AnyDesk. Open AnyDesk on your computer and look for the menu icon. This is usually the three-line menu or the settings menu in the top corner. Click on that menu icon, then select Settings. Once the settings panel opens, look for the security section or the access section, depending on which version of AnyDesk you have. These settings control who can connect to your device and what kind of permissions they get. If AnyDesk asks you to unlock the settings, click Unlock first. This is important because some security options are protected until you confirm your access. After that, go down to the Unattended Access section. This is the feature that allows someone to connect to your device without you having to accept the session manually every single time. If you want AnyDesk running all the time, this is one of the most important steps. Now click Set Password. Choose a strong password that is difficult to guess and make sure it is something you can remember securely. Then confirm the password by typing it again. This password is what will allow remote access when you're away from your computer, so do not use anything too simple. Once the password is set, AnyDesk will be able to accept connections without needing you present at the device. Next, we need to configure the access permissions. In the permission profile area, choose Full Access. This gives the remote user the broadest control over the machine, which is useful if you want to fully manage the computer remotely. After selecting Full Access, click Apply to save the changes. This step makes sure the session is not limited by unnecessary permission restrictions. At this point, AnyDesk is much closer to being available all the time, but there is one more major thing to handle. Your computer itself must stay awake and connected. If the PC goes to sleep, shuts down, or loses internet, AnyDesk cannot stay reachable. So now we are going to adjust your Windows power settings. Open Windows Settings, then go to System, and then select Power and Battery. From there, click on Screen and Sleep. You will see options for when the screen turns off and when the computer goes to sleep. If you want maximum availability, set Sleep to Never. If you prefer, you can also choose a much longer timeout, especially while the computer is plugged in. The goal is to stop Windows from putting your machine into a low power state that would interrupt remote access. After that, make sure your computer stays powered on and connected to the internet. If possible, leave it plugged in so it does not run out of battery. Also avoid shutting down the computer or signing out if you need continuous remote access. While some remote tools can still work after sign out, keeping the system on and logged in often gives you the smoothest experience when using unattended access. It is also a good idea to test everything once you've finished. Use another device or even a phone and try connecting to your AnyDesk address with the password you created. If the connection works without someone approving it manually, then unattended access is set up correctly. If it does not work, go back through the settings and double check the password, the permissions, and the power settings. So, to recap, the formula is simple. Enable unattended access, set a secure password, choose full access, apply the settings, and keep your computer awake and online. Once you do all of that, AnyDesk should stay ready for remote connections whenever you need it. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.